Good morning, students of class 12th. Today we discuss electric field at a point on the axis of the dipole. First of all, draw the dipole. A dipole. This is two poles. First is at the point A, at the point B, a minus Q charge, and this is a plus Q charge. One end of the dipole is the negative charge and other is the dipole. Second end is the positive charge. This is midpoint of the dipole. A length of the dipole, let 2L, and a midpoint distance between the O and A, BL, and distance between the O and B, BL. Now the point at the axis of the dipole, this is a P point at the axis of the dipole, a point P, and distance between the O and P, BR. Let the distance between the midpoint of the dipole is the O and P is the point. Find at the point P, find the electric field due to this dipole. Due to this dipole, dipole means a two pole. First end is the positive negative charge and other end is the positive Q charge. Magnitude of the charge are same at the ends A and B is Q and Q. Only the sign means opposite charge. Means first is the negative and other is the positive charge. Distance between the midpoint of the dipole and P, let the distance R, and distance between B and P be the R minus L, because this is total distance is the R, and a distance between the B and P, so this L is the total R minus L. So distance between the B and P be the R minus L. Same distance between A and P be the R plus L. This is the distance between A and P. Now draw the direction of the electric field at the point P due to the plus Q charge and due to the minus Q charge. First of all, the plus Q charge, electric field direction at the point P away from the charge, because due to the positive charge, direction of the electric field away from the charge. So this is the direction of E1, and E2 is the electric field due to a negative charge. So direction of the electric field E2 is towards the negative charge. This is the direction of the electric field E1 and E2 at the point P. Now find the resultant at the point P. So electric field at the point P resultant E1 and E2. This is the opposite direction. So resultant at the P, electric field E equal to E1 minus E2. So first of all, find the value of the E1. So find electric field E1 due to negative charge, positive charge, and E2 electric field due to minus Q charge. Electric field E1 due to the positive Q charge and E2 is the electric field due to negative charge. To find the value of E1, we use the formula E1 is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon distance between the B and P. So distance between the B and P is the R minus L. So this is R minus L the whole square. square. This is equation number 1. E1 is the electric field. We use the formula 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q upon distance square. So distance is the P and P is r minus L. So distance r minus L the whole square. Now the similarly E2 is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q upon r plus L the whole square. This is the second equation, because E2 electric field due to the negative charge q. So distance between the A and P be the r plus L. So we use the formula E2 is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q upon r plus L the whole square. Now find the resultant electric field at the point P. So resultant electric field at the point P. So E is equal to, now we check the value of E1 and E2. E1 is the r in denominator r minus L the whole square, in denominator second equation r plus L the whole square. So E1 is greater than to the E2. So resultant electric field at the point P, E equal to E1 minus E2, because a direction of the E1 and E2 opposite to each other. So resultant E equal to E1 minus E2, because E1 is greater than E2, so E1 minus E2 is the gives resultant electric field at the point P. Substitute all the values in this equation. E1 is the 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q upon r minus L the whole square minus 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q upon r plus L the whole square. Substitute only the value of E1 and E2 in this expression. So E equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q upon r minus L the whole square minus 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q upon r plus L the whole square. Common q upon 4 pi epsilon naught is the common, in bracket 1 minus r minus L the whole square minus r plus L the whole square. Taking a LCM, q upon 4 pi epsilon naught in bracket, this is r square minus L square the whole square. This is LCM of this expression. So solve this step. R square plus L square plus 2RL minus R square minus L square plus 2RL, bracket closed, R square, L square, R square, L square is the cancel. So 2RL and 2RL is the 4RL. So electric field at the point P is q upon 4 pi epsilon naught. Solve this step. So value of the E electric field, E is equal to q upon 4 pi epsilon naught into 4RL, because this is the 2RL and 2RL is the 4RL, and in denominator is R square minus L square the whole square. We know that 2QL is the electric dipole moment P. So substitute the value of P is the 2QL in this expression, 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught in bracket 2QL into 2R upon R square minus L square the whole square. This is 2QL is the P. So electric field equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught 2PR upon R square minus L square the whole square. This is electric field at the point P, 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught 2PR upon R square minus L square the whole square. If R is very greater than to the L, then L square can be neglected. So E is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught 2pr upon r square, because L square value is very small value. So L square can be neglected, only r square the whole power 2. So this is the r to the power 4. It means 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught 2p upon r cube, because 1 r is the power is the cancel. So 2p upon r cube, final result of the intensity of the electric field at the point P is E equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught 2p upon r cube. In case find in the vector form, so E vector is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught 2p vector upon r cube. This is the vector notation of the electric field at the point P is E vector equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught 2p vector upon r cube, because P is the vector quantity. P means electric dipole moment, so 2p vector upon r cube. This is final answer. Resulting intensity of the electric field at the point P, E equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught 2p upon r cube. Okay, thank you students.